Hello everyone and welcome back to Pronunciation with Learning English with Atena. Today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of pronunciation and explore the voiceless and voiced sounds. These consonant pairs can be a bit challenging, but fear not, because I'm here to guide you step by step. Let's start with the unvoiced th sound. This one tends to be a bit easier for beginners. The key is to create friction between your tongue and the top teeth. Remember, it's a fricative sound produced by high-pressure airflow between a narrow space in the mouth. To produce the th sound, you need to stick out your tongue a little and gently rest your upper teeth on the tip of your tongue, allowing the airflow to pass between them. It should sound like th, th. Avoid biting too hard, as this can cause the airflow to go around the sides of the tongue instead. Something like th, and that is not how it's done. The th sound is normally spelled with the letter TH. Let's practice some words together. Think, think. Anything, anything. And tooth, tooth. Now, let's move on to the voiced th sound. This one is a bit trickier, but don't worry, I have a helpful trick for you. The tongue position is the same as for the voiceless sound, but we have to add a vocal cord vibration. Yeah. Start with a vowel sound like which is naturally voiced. While maintaining the vibration, move your tongue to the position we used for the th sound. It should sound like the. You are vibrating your vocal cords correctly. If we didn't vibrate our vocal cords, it would just sound like we have to get the vocal cords to vibrate. With practice, you'll be able to do it without the vowel. The sound is usually written with the letter TH. Let's practice some words. This, mother, mother, and with. Another challenge can be the combination of th, s, and the z. For these combinations, pay close attention to how quickly my tongue moves. Let's practice some words. Maths, maths. Maths, maths, maths. For the voice is very similar. So we need to keep our vocal cords vibrating. We start with the, and then we quickly move to z. The exact same movement as s. But this time we have to keep the voice vibrating. Z, z. the only difference. Let's practice with a word. Clothes, 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 clothes. Notice how the time moves back quickly to make these sounds. And that is for this video. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the voiceless th and the voiced th sounds. Remember to practice regularly and keep challenging yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more pronunciation tips. Until next time, keep learning and expanding your linguistic horizons.